Does the First Amendment of the Constitution protect free speech? In today's fast-paced world, the question of whether the First Amendment of the United States Constitution protects free speech is more relevant than ever. Recent events have sparked discussions about the limits and protections of free speech. If you are curious about your rights in this area, you are not alone. Many individuals are seeking clarity on how the First Amendment applies to various situations. The First Amendment clearly states that Congress shall make no law abridging the freedom of speech. This means that individuals have the right to express their opinions without government interference. However, this protection does not mean that all forms of speech are protected equally. The courts have established guidelines to balance free speech with other important interests. For example, public employees can express themselves as private citizens on public matters, but this protection can be limited if their speech disrupts government operations. Just last week, a federal judge blocked an order that would have infringed on the free speech rights of transgender service members. This ruling highlights the role of the courts in protecting individual rights against government actions. The Supreme Court has also addressed free speech in the context of the internet and political expression. Recently, they have examined cases that involve regulations on online content. While some states have attempted to impose restrictions, these regulations are often challenged in court. It is important to understand that the First Amendment does provide protection for free speech, but it is not absolute. Courts continuously interpret its limits to ensure a balance between individual rights and societal interests. As you navigate your rights, remember that the First Amendment is designed to protect your ability to speak freely. However, be aware of the contexts where speech may be subject to regulation. Staying informed about these developments can help you better understand your rights in today's evolving landscape of free speech.